Hi guys, thank you for being here. I'm super excited that you are here. If you are here, it is because your friend referred me and you downloaded my app. So I'm super excited. I want to show you how it works and welcome you. So my name is Elizabeth Blaine. I am the Piphany stylist that runs E&B Boutique. You can join me on Facebook if you would like to. I have an amazing group of women that we share pictures of us in the clothes, tips and tricks, and we have some fun giveaways. So if you want to join, you totally can. All you have to do is look up E&B Boutique on Facebook, or I will post the link down in the comments below, or I can send it to you privately if you would like that. Or I probably have sent you a friend request by now if you have downloaded the app. So if you haven't accepted my friend request, please do, and if you don't, that's totally fine. But we can talk through private message, and I can get you the link to join my group if you would like. Okay. So thank you for downloading. Super excited that you are here. Piphany is an amazing clothing line. We have sizes from extra small all the way up to 3XL. I love Piphany because they make they tailor the clothes to fit the body that it's supposed to. Piphany's super amazing. Love it. If you guys haven't had a chance to look through the app yet, please do. You can see all of our styles. We have over 50 styles. I also wanted to touch on we are a limited release company. So that means that when we release a style, that once it sells out for good. We do sometimes do recuts of super popular styles that people love. We will recut new prints. So like this one right here, this is the Madeline. Once this releases, it's actually releasing this week. But once it sells out, it is gone for good. Now, if it's a super popular style that everybody loves and they want more, then Piphany will recut some new prints in that, but it takes like 6 to 8 weeks. So if there's something that you love, you need to get it right away, because once it's gone, okay? All right, let's talk about the app. So you're going to download the app. You already have, obviously. If you have not received your $15 coupon, please reach out to me so I can get a hold of Piphany and get you that coupon so you can use it. You have 60 days to use the coupon, and you can only use one coupon per order, okay? But when you download the app, this is what it's going to look like. Okay, that is your app. This first page, you can scroll down and you can shop directly from this. It's separated by layering pieces, tops, bottoms, and dresses. So you can pick which one that you want to look at. So let's say you want to see all of our dresses. These are our different style dresses, okay? So you're gonna scroll down. We have all kinds of different styles. If you see one you like, you're gonna click on it and it'll bring up, it'll tell you a little bit of the description, and then it's going to show you our available prints. Oops, let me back up. It shows all of our available prints. Okay. If you see a print that you like, you can see down here, this is the available sizes in that. So like I said, we're limited release. So once a size sells out in that, we're not going to get it back. So you can see here what available sizes they are available in for that print. So you click on it if you want to purchase it. And then you're going to choose your size, add to cart. It tells you a description. It tells you about the fabric that it is. And then there's also a size guide down here. If you need to see our size chart, you can always bring that up as well. Okay, so it's got all of our size charts there, and I'm going to talk about sizing here in a minute, but I want to show you the app, okay? So that's the way you can shop. You can also click shop up here and it'll take you to the same place. And then anytime you can always click home and it'll bring you home. Now I want to show you up here these 3 bars. Click on that. That's going to be your kind of like your guide. The first one is home. Second one is lives. Anytime I do a live, it's going to show up in here, so you can always catch me live, or you can always watch the replay and you can see them here in that list. That's where I'm going to talk about important information and stuff like that. There's also the cart button, which is the 3rd one down. This is where it's going to show up if you have open invoices. So you can pay that when I send you an invoice, maybe on like launch night, stuff like that. This is where your invoices will show up. Or if you have put something in your cart from the app. So if you're on the app and you're shopping and you add something to your cart, it's going to be here in your cart. You only have an hour to check out. So if you leave something in your cart and you go and you come back and it's been over an hour and it's gone, it's because if it's in your cart, they're reserving it for you. So they give you an hour to pay. If you don't pay, then it goes back up for purchase for other customers. And if it goes back, I can't guarantee that you're going to get the size and print that you were wanting. So just there's that urgency to make sure that you get that taken care of, okay? But this is where invoices are going to be if I send them to you, or if you're shopping on the app and you add something to your cart, that's where that's going to be, okay? For invoices, you have 24 hours to pay. If you're shopping on the app and you add something to your cart, you have an hour before it removes that. All right, and then I also want to show you there's notifications and then profile. Here you can see all of your information. Right down here, you're going to want to make sure that it says your stylist is Elizabeth Blaine. That is me. You can check your orders, and that's where it's going to have tracking information, and if you need to do returns. But then you also have here where if you want to become a stylist, you want information, you can click on that. If you want to share your personal app link, you can click this here and then you can share it. And then like your friend did, if someone downloads the app from your link, you and that person will get another $15 coupon, and those coupons are unlimited. You can get as many as you want. You can just only use one per purchase, and then you have 60 days to use them. So if you want to share the app with your friends, you can. And then you also have your size guide. So if you ever need to figure out your sizes, there is the size guide there as well. Let's talk about sizing really quick. We say that it's all of the clothing is your true to size. Now that is according to the Piphany size chart. So I'm going to put a size chart up, or if you need me to send it to you, I can. So you just follow that size chart. You can find it in your app as well, that size guide. You're going to measure your bust, your waist, and your hips. Most of the tops and dresses and stuff go by your bust and your waist. So you're going to want to figure out what those measurements are. Go to the size chart, and that's going to be your Piphany size. Most of the products are your true size. Sometimes, depending on how you want it to fit, if you want it tighter or looser, you can size up or size down. I put all of that information in my group when new styles come out and stuff. So definitely recommend you getting in my group so you can get all of that insider info and sizing help. And you have the insider scoop of what's going to be releasing that week. So we always have new releases on Thursdays. Sometimes we have them on Tuesdays as well. So every Thursday there's a new release that comes out, which I think that's super awesome. We have updated styles coming in trend, and it's super great. So definitely get in my group if you have it. It's EMB Boutique on Facebook. Real quick, the return policy, because I know a lot of people ask questions about that because everything is done online. Your orders ship directly from Piphany. I do not have the inventory on me, so you order and it comes directly from Piphany. You have 14 days to return if you don't like it or if it doesn't fit. It just needs to be in new condition, so the tags still need to be attached. You can do the returns through the app now, so you just go to My Orders. And you do the return through there. If you need any help, always reach out to me. I am there to help you. So yeah, 14 days needs to be new, and the tags have to be on. You fill out the little form, and then you're going to mail it back to Piphany, okay? Once they receive that item, you're going to receive a coupon code to purchase something else, or if you just got the wrong size, you can get the correct size. Shipping real quick. Shipping is $5 if you order anything under $49, but if you order $49 or above, you get shipping for free, which I think that is super awesome. So if it's under $49, it's only $5, which is still a great shipping price for clothing. So that is about shipping and returns. I just want to thank you again for downloading my app. If you have any questions, please, please, please reach out to me. I'm always available. I have sent you a friend request, so please, if you want to, please accept that. I sent you an email with some information, and if you accept my friend request, I have reached out to you in private message on Facebook as well. So join my group if you would like to. Reach out to me if you need anything. Thank you again. And if you need help spending that $15 coupon, please reach out to me and I will help you. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you, thank you, thank you.